Okay, let's get things off the ground. Okay, great. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the PNG Pacific Capital live streams. This is your host, Jaro, tuning in for London session. So we had some nice gold buys yesterday, man. Got it right at the bottom over here, but closed out early. We'll see if we can get a winning trade for this session. So before we do anything, we're just gonna check Forex Factory if we have any high impact news coming out. But before that happens, just trying to set up some stuff for now. Let's see what's happening with Zoom. Let's get WhatsApp online. Let's get Discord. Let's see what's happening on gold on the high time frame. Let's see what's happening on the monthly time frame for now. Let's see, looking at the monthly time frame, we are bearish at this point. Looking at current structure on the monthly time frame, we have rejected this previous resistance on the monthly time frame. Price came down, rejected this other resistance here that was formed during the August candle. Man, this is a little bit tricky right now. So we rejected the resistance up there, rejected this resistance down over here. So we're kind of trading in that range between the 1989 level and the 1965 level. It's best to note that we tapped into the 2000 level during towards the back end of last month's candle. Beginning of this month's candle tapped into the 2000 level, rejected it. So not sure if we're going to continue to reject this level, or this is going to be the start of the push back bullish for this candle. It's going to be interesting to see how that plays out. Wait. Let's see. So yeah, that's that on the monthly time frame. Dropping down to the weekly time frame now. It's important to note that we are currently bearish on the weekly time frame. We kinda rejected this previous weekly resistance over here to the left, which held throughout the 29th of May all through to the 23rd of July. So kind of rejected this level again. So we're not too sure if we're going to start pushing bullish now, or we're going to continue this bearish momentum from the start of this week. But we'll see how that plays out. Looking at the weekly time frame, it's clear that we have a resistance at the 2006 level. So yeah, we're currently bearish on the weekly time frame. If we do continue bearish, then I'm going to anticipate price to come down below 1965. And then buys are going to be much more clear below 1965 on the weekly time frame. Looking at the daily time frame right now, just zooming in on the daily time frame, it's very important to note that yesterday's candle. Whoa. Okay, yeah. It's important to note that yesterday's candle kind of closed bearish below this weekly previous daily resistance over here that was formed on the 25th of October. So looking to the left, we have clean traffic coming all the way down. Could potentially correct some of this move over here. But yeah, it's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting on the daily time frame. Previous 2 days have been bearish. Could potentially continue some momentum over here. Looking to the forward time frame to the left now. A little bit tricky on the forward time frame. Kind of ranging on the forward time frame between 1969.50, which is this resistance area over here, and 1964, which is over here. So just based on the forward time frame, I think we have 30 minutes until this forward kind of closes. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to see how this plays out. Let's see. before I start breaking down the lower time frames, just gonna set zoom up first. For those ones in Discord, let's see. I actually I'm gonna get rid of this. Share. And oh, there it is. So we're just gonna put my lovely face up there. There we go. That's better. Haha. And we're going to invite some people in on Zoom now. Let's see, we have a private Discord group, so if anybody wants to join Zoom, then just you could message me on Zoom or Instagram, and I'll add you in the private group. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's break down the 1 hour time frame and the 30-minute time frame, which is our execution time frames. Really zooming in on the 1 hour time frame right now, can clearly see how we have a resistance over here. Our most significant resistance on the 1 hour time frame is at 1969.50, and our most recent support area is at 1965.50. So kind of ranging in this area right now. We have broken below the previous 1 hour candle low. So still driving bearish, but I'm not too confident about this this support here. We also have another support here, so maybe we can break below. Maybe we can break below during this high volume session, but not too confident as yet. So we have support levels here, another one down here. What's going on now? Oh, there it is. Looking at the 30-minute time frame. There's so many levels on the 30-minute time frame here. I really don't want to be focusing on the 30-minute time frame, but I'm just going to plot what I can see right now, which is our support here, or resistance here. You know, because of this volume because of the volume, I think I'm going to be focused on the higher time frames for now. So, oops. Yeah, just gonna focus on the higher time frames for now. To be honest, because of the rejections on these higher time frames, I think I'm gonna be very focused on taking buys for this session. But because we just have to be careful. We just have to be careful, guys. Yeah, we just have to be careful. Gonna activate my magic keys. Shit, where is this thing? There it is. Hmm. Okay. Um, 20 minutes until this 4-hour candle closes. Have to be very, very patient with this one. It's very important to note that we do have a 4-hour resistance over here, 1966.50 also. So, you know, what could happen is if this 4 candle closes bullish like this, we might have the next 4 candle rip up, break through the ceiling over here to continue bullish. But the only problem we have is we're trading below the support on the daily time frame. So I think sells seem highly likely right now, but I guess I have to wait for price to come down below 1964 before taking sells. Right now, this is what I'm looking at on the 4 time frame. uh, maybe if we get like a liquidity grab coming down to the support, and then a flip bullish, we could have the next one kind of drive bullish. Maybe that's what I'm looking at right now. We have kind of like broken below this previous 30-minute candle low right here, but this might just be a trap for you to retrace back up in this range. Who knows? Being very, very careful right now. It's actually very tricky. Very tricky right now. We don't have any confirmations as yet. Everything is pretty much ranging at this point except for the daily time frame. The 4 time frames in range. The 1 hour candles in range. 30-minute candles in range. So, you know, just have to stay patient with this one. Nice. 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 Okay. Testing, testing. Testing, testing. Okay. Okay. Hello. What's going on here? Testing. Okay. Testing, testing, testing. Testing, testing. Hello, hello. Testing. Testing. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's go, bro. Holy shit.